These are not oranges, they are calamansi limes. And when I saw them at the market, I knew exactly what I wanted to make Brazilian lemonade. Except I wasn't stopping at one. I'm making it three ways, and only one gets to win. They're so orangey on the inside, which is honestly confusing my brain. And look at these seeds, 80% seeds, 20% juice. Let's start with the classic because if this isn't good, the other two don't even matter. I will be honest, blending whole limes tastes so bad. The first time I tried it, I almost gagged.
Disgusting shit.
Okay, that's loud.
Eh? Eh?
Is this lemon sorbet?
Hello?
So I figured out a way to keep all that fresh citrus flavor without the bitterness. Straining it makes a huge difference. Way smoother. Okay, now we are getting experimental. Same base, but this time cherries. Okay, final boss. Coconut water instead of regular water just made sense. Right now, it still looks exactly the same. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's the classic. You really can't go wrong with this. This one is actually really good. The sweetness is just right. Okay, so they all taste really good, but this one looks like I accidentally upgraded Brazilian lemonade. I think I just ruined the original for myself. Surprise, surprise! That's the winner! I'm finishing this. Bye.